Alpha 7 ground plenty.
Yankee, Alpha 7, ground plenty.
Okay, we're coming up on Payne Field here. This is where they build the Boeing 747. They got the new Dreamliner. Don't they call it that there, Josh? The Dreamliner?
Yeah.
That is being built here. And so we're going to get a pretty good look at all these aircraft here. We're just doing a low approach.
Got them right there on the left side.
Yeah. This is the big runway, 3-4 left. I think it's 12,000 something feet long. Or 11, I don't know, I can't remember.
Payne Tower, Hawker 777 Echo Hotel, visual approach runway 34 left.
777 Echo Hotel, Payne Tower, roger, report 2 mile final.
7
Echo Hotel.
Look at the equipment out here, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Got a lot of
Cessna 2 Lima Tango, are you able to make a short approach?
Lima Tango unable.
Look at the airplanes.
Cessna 2 Lima Tango, roger.
Woo.
Pathway Pacific. Wow.
Few dollars sitting out here.
Yeah.
Cessna 2 Lima Tango, extend your downwind, you'll be following a Hawker
And look at those flaps
7
on
miles
that
to
thing.
the south inbound for the
Unbelievable.
3-4 left.
Jeez.
Lima Tango extend, follow Hawker.
Well, they're building a new building there too.
Cessna 2 Lima Tango, correction, make a wide right 360 back to the downwind for spacing.
Look at the planes out here, buddy.
Wide right
Yeah.
360.
Look at all this stuff.
Jeez, they just got them all over the place. Don't see any dream lifters though.
No, they're probably out lifting a dream. They're dream lifting.
Yeah.